Good evening from London. The FTSE All-Share got off to a positive start in the capital today, with aerospace giant Rolls-Royce leading the risers, despite posting losses of £4 billion in 2020 due to the pandemic stopping airlines from flying. The firm's underlying revenue sunk to £11.7 billion from £15.5 billion in the previous year. Despite the challenges, the company says it is confident it will be well positioned for the future and expects to turn cash flow positive later in the year. On the flip side, supermarket chain Morrisons saw their share price fall after they revealed that last year's profits were cut by more than half after it was hit with a £290 million cost linked to COVID-19. The Big Four grocer told investors that profits before tax and exceptional costs slid by 50.7% to £201 million for the year to January 31st. Despite this, bosses say they expect to post higher profits for the new financial year and have witnessed strong trading since it began in February. John Lewis has announced that it is to close more stores after posting major losses due to soaring COVID costs. The retail giant, which also includes the Waitrose supermarket chain, reported group pre-tax losses of £517 million for the year to the end of January, compared to profits of £146 million for 2019. Online sales surged 73% and Waitrose grew trading operating profit to £1.1 billion. The partnership's chair, Dame Sharon White, said there's no getting away from the fact that some areas can no longer sustain a John Lewis store. Estate agent and property advisor Savills has reinstated its dividend after its UK residential transaction business witnessed an extraordinary recovery following the first lockdown, with revenue increasing 10% to £153.2 million. The company suspended its dividend last year due to coronavirus uncertainty. In its latest trading update, revenue fell 9% compared to the previous year, and profit after tax dropped from £83.6 million in 2019 to £68 million last year. US businessman Warren Buffett has officially joined the small circle of executives worth more than $100 billion. The share price of his multinational conglomerate Berkshire Hathaway reached a record level yesterday, pushing his fortune above the $100 billion threshold for the first time. The $100 billion club also includes Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bernard Arnault and Bill Gates. His conglomerate owns more than 60 companies, including US insurance agency Gecko and battery maker Duracell. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.